Hello friends, today we are going to learn class 8th subject English lesson 4.5 Festivals of Northeast India. This lesson warming up and chit chat activity. Let's go start. First question, do you like to celebrate festivals? तुम्हाला सण साजरे करायला आवडतात का? Answer, yes, I like to celebrate festivals because they are fun and bring happiness. Second question, why do you enjoy fairs and festivals? तुम्हाला जत्रा आणि सण का आवडतात? Answer, I enjoy fairs and festivals because they are fun and full of joy. We meet friends and family, eat special food and enjoy music and dance. Next question, what are the different festivals celebrated in our state? आपल्या राज्यात कोणकोणते सण साजरे केले जातात? Answer, different festivals celebrated in our state include Diwali, Ganesh Chaturthi, Holi, Makar Sankrant, Eid, Christmas and Navratri. Next question, do you know festivals which are celebrated in other states? इतर राज्यामध्ये साजरे केले जाणारे सण तुम्हाला माहीत आहेत का? Answer, yes. Different states have their own festivals. For example, Pongal in Tamil Nadu, Bihu in Assam, Onam in Kerala and Durga Puja in West Bengal. Next question, what is the relation between seasons and festivals? ऋतू आणि सण यांचा एकमेकाशी काय संबंध आहे? Answer, many festivals are connected to seasons. For example, Makar Sankrant and Pongal are harvest festivals. Holi marks the arrival of spring. Diwali is celebrated after the monsoon season. Next question, read the names of the festivals celebrated in our country. Discuss in your group and write down why they are celebrated. आपल्या देशात साजरे केले जाणाऱ्या सणांची नावे वाचा. तुमच्या गटात चर्चा करा आणि ते सण का साजरे केले जातात ते लिहा. फर्स्ट, दिवाळी, फेस्टिवल ऑफ लाईट्स, celebrates the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya. It marks Lord Krishna's triumph over Narkasur. People worship Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, for future prosperity. Next, Holi, festival of colors. It is a spring festival held on full moon day of Phalgun in March or April. It signifies the victory of good over evil. It also relates to the great devotee Prahlad who worshipped Lord Vishnu. People celebrate Dhulwad, second day of Holi, Rang Panchami, for fun and joy. Next, Ramzan. It is the holy month for Muslims. The festival Eid ul-Fitr is celebrated after fasting the whole month of Ramzan. फास्टिंग म्हणजे उपवास. पूर्ण महिनाभर उपवास धरला जातो. नेक्स्ट, दशहरा. This festival is celebrated in the memory of Lord Ram's victory over Ravana. It signifies the victory of good over evil. Next, Christmas. This festival is celebrated on 25th of December as of the birth of Lord Jesus Christ. It is related with family reunion and merry making. Next, Makar Sankrant, Pongal. Harvest festival celebrated in different parts of India. Thanking nature for the good harvest. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu in the beginning of the harvesting. Next question. Write down any 5 features that are common to all festival celebration. सण साजरे करताना समान असलेली कोणतीही 5 वैशिष्ट्ये लिहा. Answer. First, people wear new clothes. Second, homes and streets are decorated. Third, music, dances in most of the festivals. Fourth, special food is prepared. Fifth, family and friends celebrate together. Next question. Frame words related to the following topics as per instructions. सूचनानुसार खालील विषयासंबंधी शब्द तयार करा. फेस्टिवल्स रिलेटेड वर्ब्स. फेस्टिवलबद्दल रिलेटेड क्रियापदे लिहायची आहेत. डेकोरेट, एन्जॉय, सेलिब्रेट, सिंग, डान्स. नेक्स्ट, म्युझिक रिलेटेड ॲजेक्टिव्ह. म्युझिकबद्दल ॲजेक्टिव्ह लिहायचे आहेत. विशेषणे सॉफ्ट, लाऊड, पॉप, क्लासिकल, स्वीट. अशा पद्धतीने आपण म्युझिकशी संबंधित ॲजेक्टिव्ह लिहिलेले आहेत. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. डान्स रिलेटेड नाउन्स. डान्सशी संबंधित नाउन लिहायचे आहेत. स्टेप्स, रिदम, कॉस्ट्युम्स, स्टाईल, जेस्चर. अशा पद्धतीनं आज आपण 4.5 फेस्टिवल्स ऑफ नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया या पाठाचे वॉर्मिंग अप व चिटचॅट ॲक्टिव्हिटी अभ्यासला आहेत. आय होप हा पाठ जर तुम्हाला आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. पुन्हा भेटूया नवीन पाठासोबत. तोपर्यंत जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.